Wow. Daily cases already reached 57,232. That's a huge number. Some research results from NIH were published in the New England Journal of Medicine in May. Researchers used laser light scattering to show water droplets when people talk. Next, we are going to show a video without and with mask. The green dots represent water droplets detected by laser light scattering. You can see there is a big difference between without and with mask.
Now I'm recording. Stay healthy. Great. Stay healthy. Great. Less loud. Stay healthy. Good. Are you recording? Yeah. Stay healthy. Louder. Stay healthy. Louder. Stay healthy. Nothing.
People really should wear masks when it's needed. Here has some good examples from leaders of different countries.